Hey guys, what's up? So today I decided to do another video. This is gonna be Tuesday's video, or Monday's video actually. I am doing a pre-recording because of this video I've already made. I'm doing a Kahoot. So I already did the Kahoot video, and I'm actually gonna show you how to do the thumbnail. This is not sponsored or anything, but it's right here. I'm gonna put the face cam. We do got a face cam with this because I figured I'm gonna actually make this full screen and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so we are back, and what you do is you open Fios, like Fios, yeah, do you know? But we are going to be opening, and I have tons of crap on here right now, but I need the blue one. I already have my stuff picked out. So I need Kahoot. Open. And I need a bunny. Where's the bunny? Where's the bunny? A lot of the stuff that I have is for interior design. So oh, I don't need to turn the volume up. Not the volume. I need to make this bigger. Okay. So what I usually do is, actually I just realized something. What I need to do is something different. So Google, I just realized what I had to do with the thing. So bear with me. So it usually is a process doing this. Just don't mind the progress, because what I usually do is I have to copy. I'm going to move the face cam. Put it here. Yes, there's Rami. I have to open it up in Paint. There's no cuts in this. And okay, and then poof. Now save as blue. Okay, I didn't mean to hit that. And then there's already one saved as blue, so what? I'm gonna save it. Now I'm gonna open up Photoshop, because Photoshop is fun. Open. There we go. There's the thumbnail. And next, take. I don't know how. Whoops, see, I'm terrible with Photoshop. That's why my thumbnails always look like crap. But what I like to do is get the general shape of the... See, okay, and then what you do is hit Shift. Alright, and then grab... Wait. I'm gonna open it, go back to this. Okay. I don't know if that's gonna cut out. I'm not sure. I don't remember what it does. Oh my god, but that's even cuter. Okay. So we then are gonna hit the bunnies. crap. I need to hit OK, which is... I'm actually going to put this at the bottom because I don't usually... mess with that. Okay, there's usually an OK thing right there. Alright, so next is Kahoot. I will mess with that later. Okay, I will make my own, so. Oh god, I just messed it up. RIT. Open and the A. Next is the H. Scary! I'm tired of it. Paige's trying to scare me all the time. It gets so old when she tries to do that because, I mean, it's, like I said, it just gets so old. Oh, wait, we can move the whole thing. Oh my gosh, I did not realize we could do the whole thing. But, I don't know how I did that, but I'm going to pause the video here and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I did figure out how to transform. Oh shoot, that's not what I wanted to do. Can you stop? Alright guys, so I am gonna put that there. Apply. That's good. That's okay when that happens. Because it's highlighting it. And I'm actually going to add a picture here. So, Easter. I'm just going to put... I'm going to do this one. But I'm going to cut it out where it's just, you see Easter. So, Easter. Oh. So that's all you do. I mean, that's all I do is I just search pictures and stuff. So okay, so I didn't know if I actually where I got to, but I probably hit the record button on accident. So in case you didn't know what I just did, I just grabbed a picture from the internet like you usually would do. So Easter is what I picked. What? Okay, wait. Open Easter. Because it's it's not the right kind of document. All files save. Easter. Oh, didn't I save it as... Oh, Easter blank. Okay, Easter blank. Easter holiday. Okay. There we go. I actually kind of want the wood in there, so I'm not worried about like how awkward and crazy it looks. Now I can fix it up. Oh, move. Oh, that actually doesn't look bad. Alright, and then okay. I'm going to move it up here because I am done with the pictures. Oh, crud. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I just did this, and there we go. So, okay that. And the thumbnail was finished, so it's very simple. I just kind of thought I would go simple with it, but I'm going to use this for my Kahoot thumbnail, and actually I've created a thumbnail for this one. So, see you guys then. Thanks for watching this video, and hope you guys liked it. Peace.